Police need your help finding the suspects in a string of robberies. Thursday night, China Taste, a restaurant near 24th and Cumming. Just hours earlier, a convenience store on Leavenworth gets held up. That crime turned violent. KETV News Watch 7's Amanda Crawford has more.
It happened at the Quick Shop near 36th and Leavenworth. There are two suspects, a man and a woman. They make the clerk get behind the counter, then they beat him over the head. It's all caught on security camera. While the man beats the clerk, the woman steals cigarettes. When they run off, the clerk can't even stand up. A customer comes in, finds him on the ground, and dials 911. Later, Thursday night, a restaurant at 24th and Cumming was robbed. 3 men came in with guns demanding money. Anyone who saw anything suspicious in either area should call police.
Take back your neighborhoods. If there's a convenience store in your area, take an extra second, look over your shoulder and check. Make sure that clerk is okay and everything's all right.
And Officer Shade says it's important to call anytime you see anything suspicious. You can call investigators at 402-444-5652. Police just want to make sure everyone is keeping an extra close eye on their surroundings. With more complete coverage, Amanda Crawford, KETV News Watch 7.
Well, 5